Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document on your mobile device. First, open the PDF using a suitable app like Adobe Acrobat Reader or Google Drive. Once open, navigate through the app's toolbar to find a Fill and Sign or Markup option. This tool is usually represented by a pen or signature icon. Tapping this will prepare you to create and add your unique digital signature to the document, making the process straightforward and efficient. Now, let's create your signature. You have a few convenient options. The most common is to draw your signature directly on your phone or tablet screen using your finger or a stylus, aiming for accuracy. Another excellent method is to import an existing image of your signature, perhaps one you've already saved in your photo gallery. Some apps even let you simply type your name, which they then convert into a professional-looking, stylized font for you. With your signature created, it's time to place it precisely. Simply tap on the specific area of the PDF where the signature needs to go. A signature box will appear, and you can easily drag its corners to resize it, ensuring it fits perfectly within the designated space. If needed, you can also rotate the signature by a few degrees to align it just right, giving your document a polished and professional appearance. Finally, after placing your signature, it's crucial to save the document. This action permanently embeds your signature into the PDF, making it an official record. Most mobile applications provide various sharing options, allowing you to send the signed PDF via email, messaging services, or upload it directly to cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. Always take a moment to double-check the document before sharing to ensure everything looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.